the asshole and the balls. You know what I'm talking about? So I took a picture of the tank, and I looked at it because it was the first time I ever seen my tank. I took a picture of the tank, dropped it in Twitter. I said, I'm gonna send this shit to this, but wait. If I'm gonna say I'm not a one-hit wonder, I gotta prove myself. So I grabbed me an MP3 of this song right here and sent this. Take this chick back to 1987. What's this song called? My posse's on Broadway. I didn't hear you. My posse's on Broadway. Can't get sensation at home away from home in the F550 with the HRE's Pro. I'm calling up the posse, it's time to get the ribbon. I'm freaking each sucker to keep you suckers dripping. Everybody's looking if you're jealous, run around. The AMG kick got us dumped to the ground. We're getting good grip from the hot Pirelli tires. The Alpine's bumping, but I need a body Maya. Cause the 808 kick drum makes these girlies get dumb. Rolling Rainier and the jealous wanna get some. Every time we do this, sucker empties wanna battle. The man you love to hate, they say, are you in Seattle? Picked up the posse on 23rd Jackson. To the street, like we're looking for some action. The limo's kinda crowded, the whole car was leaning back. Maharaji's watching TV with two girlies on his lap. On Martin Luther King, the set is kinda dead. We need a new street, so posse move ahead. We all kinda suave, your crew you can't forget. My motherfucking posse on the C-Town set. Say ho! Say ho! Ho! Say posse on Broadway! Posse on Broadway! Go ahead! Go ahead! Everybody go ahead! Go ahead! Come on! We rolling, and my posse was getting kinda bored. There's not another posse with more points scored. We don't walk around like criminals or such like big gorillas. My dude Rush Ride is a teenage lady killer. I'm rapping on the deaf side, dancing like a freak. The girl see his paper and the knees get weak. Larry is the white guy, people think he's funny. A real estate investor who makes a lot of money. And we're talking lots of dollars, we all got gold. Cruising in his Benz and ain't got no place to go. Willing 23rd, we saw nothing but thugs. The girlies was too skinny, but smoking all them drugs. But the rock man got him and that box just dropped. The freaks left the front because I've been won't stop. On 23rd Union, the driver broke left. Kevin shouted, bro.